A conductor leads an orchestra. They help all the musicians play together. The conductor shows when to start and stop, and how fast or slow to play. They also show the feeling of the music. Usually, a conductor uses a stick called a baton and moves their hands clearly. Some conductors are very energetic. Leonard Bernstein moved a lot while conducting. He could wave his arms, jump, and even dance. His style made concerts exciting and fun to watch. Some conductors are very calm. Herbert von Karajan moved his hands very little. Musicians had to watch carefully, but this helped them play smoothly and beautifully. Other conductors use unusual ways to lead music. Sir Simon Rattle sometimes taps his feet or hums to keep the rhythm. A conductor shows that music is more than notes on paper. Their movements and energy help the music feel alive, emotional, and exciting.